You know what this little bird is called and what he did for the English language? This little guy is called a wug, and he was a part of a landmark experiment in the study of linguistics. In the 1950s, psycholinguist Jean Berko Gleason ran an experiment that tested whether or not young children simply memorize words or actually developed a foundational understanding of language rules. Gleason showed small children a drawing of a fictional bird labeled as a wug. Then she showed them a picture of two wug birds and asked the children to finish the sentence, "There are two blank." Most children identified that there were two wugs. Because the word wugs is fictional, children had no way of seeing the plural form wugs before. This demonstrated the children's understanding that plurals are created in the English language by adding an S to the end of words. With some exceptions, of course. Sorry, cacti. So if a child learns a word like dog, they understand that more than one dog would be referred to as dogs, instead of learning the word separately. Gleason's experiment included other questions that tested children's intrinsic knowledge of possessives, conjugations, and more. Her experiment suggested that children develop a basic understanding of language rules simply by being exposed to the language, rather than having each rule taught to them individually. And these findings also became essential to understanding the key milestones in language development in children. Pretty wuggin' cool if you ask me.